In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to permanently delete your GoDaddy account. The first thing you need to do is to erase all the products and services linked to your account. For achieving this, sign in to your GoDaddy account. Once you are logged in, you need to navigate through the platform to reach either the Renewals and Billing or the My Products section. Now here you will find all the services and products that you subscribe to. I would advise you to carefully go through each product. For each product, you need to cancel the auto-renewal option. Alternatively, if the product is not set to auto-renew, you can simply delete the product directly. When you opt to turn off auto-renewal, you might be required to select a reason for canceling before you proceed. So make sure to select a reason that perfectly fits your circumstance. Now, you have successfully deleted all the products from your account. But hold on for a moment. Don't rush to close your account. You need to wait for at least 24 hours after doing so. After patiently waiting for 24 hours, you are ready to proceed to the next step, that is, closing your account. Log back into your GoDaddy account. Now, navigate to the Account Settings, and then move on to Contact Preferences. In this section, you should scroll down to the Privacy section. Here, you will find an option named Account. Upon clicking, you will come across a Close Account message. Before proceeding, it's paramount to read this message in depth because it consists of crucial information regarding your account deletion. Once you have read and understood the implications of account deletion, go ahead and tick the box next to "I understand this action cannot be undone." This action is necessary to confirm that you are aware of the consequences of your decision. Finally, click on the Close Account button. Doing so will finalize your decision, and the platform will initiate the process of permanently deleting your account. Please remember, this action is irreversible, and you won't be able to retrieve any data related to this account in the future. So make sure you are absolutely certain about your decision before finalizing the deletion process. Phew! And that is how you permanently delete your GoDaddy account.